Hello guys, it's time to clean up this whole area a lot more and take this off as well, because that is part of the new inner wing. Yep, I have a new inner wing. If you haven't already seen it, then go and check out the Bingley haul video, because yeah, we've got a nice haul of panels ready to go on it now. So yeah, we just got to do some more tidying up and stuff. Oh, and following on from the Bingley haul video, I forgot to mention, thanks again, Sean, for the CDs. We were listening to those most of the way back. It's still in the car now. And also, again, cheers, Sean, for the suggestion of this primer. This is what I've ordered. Ordered the ones that you sent us, so that's going to come in very, very handy. But yeah, I need to go and get that CD out of the car, actually. But yeah, I can't remember how far we're in now. CD 2. Track 8. So yeah, cheers for that, and hopefully use that in some of the videos as well. That'd be nice. But yeah, it's nice just to listen to in the car, to be honest. So yeah, let's do some work on this today anyway. I think first thing is to clean up these last few scraps on here and get all this big crappy plate out. Take this off. I'm going to need to see about building that up, but I forgot to bring any cardboard for my for cardboard aided design, so yeah, we'll have to see what we can do really. Also, I don't really have a way of bending metal, so I'm going to have to like reproduce this flat piece and then this piece here and weld them together, and yeah, it's not going to be the best, but you know, it should do the job. And all this here I'm not particularly looking forward to having to redo, but there we go. So yeah, let's get cracking. I kind of gave up with the whole trying to weld a nut to that stud to get it out. It was just being a pain in the arse. The weld wasn't sticking to the stud for some reason. So what I did was I just drilled out the spot weld there, which is the middle hole there, and whacked it in the vise, unscrewed it. So yeah, we'll leave that out for now, but we'll have to weld it back in obviously at some point and give that a clean up first. So yeah, I think now what we'll do is GoPro battery died. So yeah, I think what we'll do is get the wire brush out, probably the one that goes on the drill, because there's no room in there to get the one in the grinder. So yeah, get that in there and clean all this rust out, and then get some primer on it, I think is the next plan of action. I'm still not sure whether to take this off or not, because it's a bit crispy behind it, and I think, well, it's not too bad, but I think it might be a good idea to take that off and clean everything up behind it. But I don't know, what do you guys reckon? Let me know what you think I should do about that. As you can see through there, it's just a bit flaky, and I reckon it'd be like that the whole way behind it. So yeah, I reckon I should take that off, but you guys let me know what you would do. So yeah, we'll clean up some more of all this and in here get some of that primer on it. Okay, so we have cleaned up all this with the wire brush on the drill, and yeah, it looks much better, and I've just got a coat of the primer over it to also keep that from rusting again. It looks so good. Well, there's never been that much paint in there in its whole life. It was just a ridiculously thin layer of that cream coloured primer that was in there. Makes you wonder how much longer these things would have lasted if they actually painted them properly. But yeah, it's looking nice now, so yeah, it's nice to have a bit of good progress like that. So I'm not quite sure exactly what I'm going to do next. I haven't decided yet, but yeah, we have all this to clean up as well, so we might do that, and then still have to fabricate a piece for it to go in here, but I forgot to bring any cardboard for my cardboard aided design, so that may have to wait a little longer. So yeah, I've got this all to clean up on here as well, so, and get this last piece of metal off that, so I might clean that panel up as well. So yeah, let's do some of that. Just a bit of an ouchie moment. Yeah, I was just doing the flappy disc on here to clean it up and get off the last few bits of metal, and I went to pull off that bit that was stuck on here and completely forgot that it was still burning hot. Melted straight through my glove, and there's now a slit in one of my fingers of my gloves, and I don't know how you can see that, and melted my finger a bit as well. Yeah, it's quite deep. Yeah, that hurts. Be careful, people. Don't be an idiot like me. Okay then guys, so let's just grab the light. We've cleaned all the rust up off the door stiffener post on this side, and then given that a bit of a primer as well, and I've touched it in a couple of places with a grinder at the side, and I couldn't quite get in there, but I can't be bothered to do it with wire brush today. I've had enough. Just not really feeling it at the moment, so yeah, I'm gonna go home, I think. So that's 6:15 anyway, so yeah, I need to still get all this crap out and finish off cleaning up the inside of there, but as I say, I just really can't be chuffed now and do all that on there too. So yeah, that's going to be it for today. The GoPro battery's dying again, so I think we're just going to call it a day here. So thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, yada yada yada, and hopefully come back tomorrow with a little more enthusiasm. So yeah, that'll do for today. Cheers for watching guys, bye for now.